Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today I will be showing you how to make omelette sandwich and fruit salad. And there is also a mystery box that we are going to show you. For the omelette recipe, you will need 1/4 of an onion, 1/4 of a tomato, and a little bit of coriander. Step 1. Cut all the ingredients. This is how all the chopped ingredients should look like. Step 2. Crack an egg and beat it. Add some salt and add some spices of your choice. Mix it well. Step 3. Add the chopped ingredients and mix it well. Step 4. Get a small frying pan and put some oil on it. Then add the mixture. After, put a piece of bread on top of the mixture. Then flip it to put another bread on top. Enjoy your breakfast! Guess how many toys we have in this box? Let's find out. Oh my god, look how many mini collectibles we have in this box. Let's start showing you what we have in this box. It took us 20 minutes to sort out the whole thing. Can you believe it? There was 218 toys. Look, we have mini collectibles such as Wheat Bix, shapes, peas, cookies, Vegemite, Milo, and toilet paper. We also found some stickies. These are all the mini collectibles we collected from Coles. Time for some fruit salad. For the fruit salad, you can pick any fruit of your choice, but don't forget to wash them. Start chopping all the fruits that you chose. Keep chopping. Now add the fruits in a bowl. Now carefully pour some orange juice into the bowl. Enjoy your fruit salad. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. We'll see you all next time. Bye.